What's going on, YouTube YouTubers? Alright, today I'm gonna try to make this or turn this headliner into a custom headliner. Now, if you recall from my Lost Samurai video that I made, yeah, that's where I got this from, the local junkyard. Now, this guy is in pretty good condition, and it kind of sucks that I'm gonna have to be tearing it apart. Now, the idea is to put something right here, like a logo or something to that effect, so that, it'll look nice. So, here's the idea. I am going to put the Honda logo right in the middle. Now, I went out and bought this foam here, and it looks real crappy. This is just regular foam. I don't know. I guess it depends on how high you want it off the headliner. Check that out. That's what it takes. It looks like a big fat pancake. So this regular board or foam, I'm sorry, this foam is a little too thick. So let's get the other one. The other one, in the other case, it's a foam board. Foam board. Foam board, there you go. Yes. So what I did was that, first of all, I got me a Cricut. And I designed a logo, put it on a vinyl sticker thing, and then my next ordeal on this case, because what I wanted to do was put the Honda logo and then just put the letter Honda. You know what I'm saying? And that was the process right here. Staple, dude. My kids. Anyway, I ended up with the same. It's the same foam board. It's a foam board. You see it's thinner. This one's a little too thick. So here you go. Here is the actual Honda logo. And I cut it in a slant. I don't know if you can see that. It's slanted. So when you cut on the board, on the foam board, you don't cut straight down. You cut on an angle. On an angle like that. So that way, you get better adhesive on this foam. So this is what I wanted to do, was just to put the Honda logo up here like that. Alright. Like that, and then put the Honda letters on the side. I wanted to do that. I just wanted to do that, and that was it. But it got a little complicated with these letters. I said the hell with it. I just do the Honda logo because I'm lazy like that. And there it is. That's the outcome right there, or half of it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this out, right, and get headliner glue. Hold on, let me get that. Alright, so this is the headliner glue that I'm using, 3M Super 77. It's a multi-purpose adhesive. It's commercial strength, and it covers 220 feet. So, like I said before, all I'm gonna do is pull that out, shove that in there, or I'm sorry, I'm gonna spray it with adhesive. And then, instead of me pulling the whole cloth out of here, I'm just trying to make a gap somewhere around here and just try to put it in this location. Flip it upside down, and so we're gonna start peeling this off nice and easy without breaking it. Now remember, the deeper inside you're gonna pull, the more that glue you're gonna have to spray back. If I put it this way, Maybe put it this way. I think this is the best way to go with it. Yeah, it's that white stuff is a spray. So put you right here. Take the edge. Oh man, you can get your hands all sticky. What a mess. Uh-oh. So I did end up with my hands all sticky. There it is. It's in there. Now we just gotta flatten it out. Ooh. Now this will look better if you were to get another cloth and put it over it. May not be centered and it doesn't look ugly. I mean, it doesn't look pretty. Because it sure does look ugly. What are we doing, YouTube? A few things to take note of is use a nice or clean headliner or clean cloth. First step, get a clean cloth so you can do this. Don't write on your board because it's a see-through. Especially on this one. This one's gray, so you're going to be able to see through it. Alright? If you're going to reuse the old cloth like I just did here, make sure you clean it because it looks ugly. You see that? That's the foam from the inside. That's foam here. Yeah. But there you go. Now we just gotta see how it looks inside the car. Which, you know, it's nothing special, but it just looks better if I would have, whatchamacallit, if I would have just had like a new piece of cloth or something. But that's it. Custom headline. This is all rice. You know, this is just ricing the car. Ricing it. But I'm pretty sure somebody with a lot more time could get this done. In the meantime, I have to get ready for Hurricane Ida. Yes, I heard it's a bad hurricane. It's a bad boy. It's gonna be a Cat 4 when we get here. So there it is. There's your custom headliner thingamajiggy, how to get it done. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, please. It helps me out. Now that Hurricane Ida is coming, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have nothing left. Anyway, peace out. Later.